Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing a tool that's changing the game for freelancers, marketers, and agency owners. It's called AI SocialAgents, and it's like having a full-time strategist, designer, and engagement expert working 24/7 without the salary. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to keep up with content creation, posting schedules, and engagement across multiple platforms, this solves that problem. It automates your entire social media workflow while improving performance. Features and benefits. Let's break down what AI SocialAgents actually does. It plans, creates, and executes campaigns across all major platforms. Generates captions, visuals, hashtags, and even video scripts using AI. Schedules posts based on optimal engagement times. Tracks performance and auto-adjusts campaigns for better results. Includes a drag-and-drop planner to organize weeks of content. Offers client dashboards for agency users. Comes with a full commercial license. Sell this as a service. The real benefit? You wake up and your Instagram, LinkedIn, blog, and YouTube shorts are already updated. You didn't lift a finger, but your engagement and leads are growing. Whether you're a solopreneur or running a team, this tool gives you back your time while scaling your impact. Pros and cons. Let's talk about what works and what to watch out for. Pros: automates 90% of your social media workload. Beginner-friendly interface with no tech skills required. Works for any niche: e-commerce, coaching, real estate, SaaS. Includes analytics and optimization tools. One-time payment during launch versus monthly fees later. Cons: best results come from customizing AI output with brand input. Launch pricing and bonuses are time-sensitive. User reviews. Jordan, a freelancer, used AI SocialAgents to land two $1,500 per month clients in just weeks. His clients didn't even realize AI was running the show. Selena, a coach, saw a 65% jump in engagement within 2 weeks of switching to AI SocialAgents. Martin, a YouTuber, now automates his shorts and reel scripts, thumbnails, and captions, saving hours every week. People are blown away by how effortless and effective it is. It's not just a tool, it's a full agency engine. Conclusion: so, who's this for? If you're a freelancer, coach, agency owner, or even a beginner who wants to offer premium social media services, this is your shortcut. Personally, I think AI SocialAgents is one of the smartest tools I've seen in 2025. It's not just about saving time, it's about delivering better results with less effort. You get automation, optimization, and scalability all in one. The launch offer is just $97 one time, but after this, it jumps to $97 per month. Plus, there's a 14-day results or it's free guarantee, so it's completely risk-free. Click the link below to grab AI SocialAgents and start building your hands-free social media empire today. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're ready to automate your content and grow your business. Links in the description, don't miss this one.